Welcome, everyone. I'm Tim Erlin, Head of Product at Wallarm, and today I'd like to show you a quick demonstration of our shadow API detection, which is part of our API discovery capability. I'm going to start by clicking on our API discovery menu item. Here, you can see a list of all of the APIs and endpoints that we've discovered in this environment, a total of 280 endpoints in this case. I can filter this list for shadow APIs by selecting this filter here. That narrows the list down to 17 endpoints, all of which have this icon for shadow APIs. So this is a good point in time to explain what a shadow API is. A shadow API is an API that is unmanaged in an environment, and we detect those shadow APIs by comparing what Wallarm has discovered about the APIs in API discovery to a specification that's provided for that API. So let me move over to the API specifications menu. And here you can see the list of specifications that have been provided in this console. I'm going to go ahead and click on one of them so you can see the details. Here you can see, as you might expect, that you can provide a name and a description for this API specification. You can also map the API specification to one or multiple applications in the environment. And then you can choose how to provide this API specification. You can upload a static file from your local machine, or you can provide a URL for the specification. The benefit of providing the URL is that if it's kept up to date, Wallarm will consistently use the most up-to-date version of the specification to compare to the environment that we've discovered. Once you've added your API specification and run your comparison, you'll get your results. Here you can see for this demo app specification running against our demo app, we've found 13 shadow APIs. And if I click on that number 13, it will take me back to the API discovery menu, where you can see a filtered list for those 13 endpoints, all of which, again, have that shadow API icon associated with them. Of course, finding shadow APIs in your environment allows you to reduce risk by managing them instead of having unmanaged APIs that might expose data or provide access to users for functionality that shouldn't be available. Thank you for spending the time with me on our shadow API detection.